Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, it's another sewing video. For those of you who are here mostly for the sewing videos. In this video we are going to sew ourselves a blouse, what is known in Papua New Guinea, my country of origin, as the Misin Kolos, and is especially associated with a particular province, Morobe province of Papua New Guinea. Not my province, but I am going to wing it here and try to make myself. So, and I'll bring you along in the process. It is quite simple, I've come to discover. I've always thought it was difficult to sew, but it is essentially 4 sets of rectangles cut out and pieced together to form this blouse. So we have the body piece. We have we have a large rectangle which will make up the body piece, and we have 2 pieces of that, one for the front and one for the back. Then we have the chest band. We have 4 chest bands, another set of rectangles, 4 pieces of those, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. Then we have the shoulder straps, another set of rectangles, 4 times, 2 for the right side, 2 for the left side. And then we have another set of rectangle, and that is going to be a long thin armhole binding strap to sew around and complete the armhole and the shoulder strap. Okay, those are the pieces of fabric that we are going to cut out and make this blouse. I'm going to stop talking. I will not talk as much because it seems like a lot of people don't like a lot of talking in my videos and have commented. So I am listening and I'm trying to do as you like. I know I have the tendency to carry on and talk a lot, so I'm going to try to not do that a lot in my videos now. Thank you. Let's continue.